Good morning to all. I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe. Today I would like to discuss about scipy in Python. It is an open source library used for solving mathematical, scientific, engineering and technical problems. It allows users to manipulate the data and visualize the data using a wide range of high-level Python commands. Scipy is built on the Python Numpy extension. Scipy is also pronounced as scipy. Various subpackages are available for scipy. Special function, you can call it by scipy.special, scipy linear algebra operation, scipy.linalg, interpolation, scipy.interpolate, optimization and fit, scipy.optimize, statistics and random numbers, scipy.stats, numerical integration, scipy.integrate, fast Fourier transforms, scipy.fftpack, signal processing, scipy.signal, and image manipulation, scipy.nd image. In this Python scipy, you will learn what is scipy, why use scipy, what is the difference between Numpy and scipy. Scipy contains varieties of subpackages which helps to solve the most common issue related to scientific computation. Scipy package in Python is the most used scientific library, only second to GNU Scientific Library for C, C++ or MATLAB. Easy to use and understand as well as fast computational power. It can operate on an array of Numpy library. Numpy is written in C and used for mathematical or numeric calculation. It is faster than other Python libraries. Numpy is the most useful library for data science to perform basic calculations. Numpy contains nothing but array data type which performs the most basic operation like sorting, shaping, indexing, etc. You know I have already explained Numpy and Numpy commands. The scipy is built on top of the Numpy. Scipy module in Python is a fully featured version of linear algebra, while Numpy contains only a few features. It is the extension for Numpy. Most new data science features are available in scipy rather than Numpy. Installation of scipy, that is pip install. You can install pip using pip command, pip install and scipy in Colab or Kunda. How to use that? From scipy import package name. For example, special is a package. Import Numpy as np. You can import that. File input output package. Various packages are available here. See this. Scipy is a collection of mathematical algorithms and convenience functions built on the Numpy extension of Python. It with high-level commands and classes for manipulating and visualizing data. The additional benefits of basing scipy on Python is that also makes a powerful programming language available for use in developing sophisticated programs and specialized applications. These subpackages are available: basic polynomial, special function, integration, linear algebra, Fourier transformation, interpolation, statistics and miscellaneous. These are the packages, categories of packages. Here, how to use polynomial. See, from Numpy import poly 1D, p is equal to poly 1D 368, print p, it gives polynomial equation. Like that. See, file input output package. Here scipy IO package has a wide range of functions for work with different file formats, which are MATLAB, ARFF, Wave, Matrix, Market, IDL, Net, CDF, TXT, CSV and binary format. It works with different file formats. Let us take up the file format Python scipy example. Numpy, import Numpy as NP. From scipy import IO as SIO. Array is equal to np.ones 4,4. SIO dot savemat example.mat AR:array. Data is equal to SIO load mat example.mat. Struct as record is equal to true. See the example. Import Numpy as NP means we have to import Numpy package. From scipy import IO as SIO. Array is equal to np.ones. It creates array matrix of 4x4 dimension of ones. Then save that array into example.mat file. Then load that example.mat file and into you have to get data from that example.mat file and then print that data. Like that you can work with file. See special function package help scipy special. You can see here from scipy import cluster. Like help cluster, you can take that help of that package. Cluster is one of the package from scipy, and help cluster it will show the help of that package. If you give help small bracket, it will give all the information. Import scipy.info. It gives information about cluster, source of cluster. Then special command is there. See special help scipy.special. It gives information about special. Special contains scipy.special package contains numerous functions of mathematical physics. Scipy special function includes cubic root, exponential, log sum, exponential, Lambert, permutation and combinations, gamma Bessel, hypergeometric, Kelvin, beta parabolic cylinder, relative error, exponential, etc. Like that, it includes various functions, mathematical functions. Here, see scipy.special.cube root of x. See CB is equal to cube root of 27,64. From scipy special import cube root, CB root. Then you can call that CB RT 27/64 and print that value. It gives cube root of 27 and 64, 3 and 4. Exponential function exp10 you can import. Then 1,10 it will give the exponential value 10 raised to x. Then permutations and combinations, scipy special dot comb nk. You can use phi 2 exact is equal to false and repetition is equal to true. Combinations of phi 2 values using nk. Print com. It will give combination of phi 2. Permutation like that, PERM, you can call permutation also. Log sum exponential function, log sum exponential of x. Different mathematical functions are there, you can directly use that functions. Linear algebra with scipy, you can give Import linear algebra, import numpy as np, square matrix, 2-dimensional is equal to array is equal to np dot array 4, 4, 5 and 3, 2. Then linear algebra dot determinant and pass the value of that 2-dimensional array. It gives the determinant of that matrix 4, 5, 3, 2. Now you can calculate inverse of matrix also. Scipy dot linear algebra dot inverse of matrix. Let us see np dot array and give 2-dimensional array for inverse. It will give inverse of matrix. Eigenvalue is an eigenvector. Like here linear algebra dot eig, you can directly calculate that values using dot eig, print egval and print eg vector. Fourier transform, you can calculate Fourier transform also. Optimize to minimize the curve fitting, minimization of curve fitting. Image processing, you can do image processing with scipy nd image. Scipy nd image is a submodule of scipy which is mostly used for performing an image related operation. Nd image means the nth dimensional image. Image processing provides geometric transformation, rotate, crop, flip. Image filtering like sharp and denoising, display image, image segmentation, classification and features extraction. These are the different operations related with image. Scipy image processing provides geometric transformations like rotate, crop and flip. Rotate, crop and flip. Filtering, sharp and denoising, and other operations related to image. Here see scipy import. Miscellaneous package in scipy contains pre-built images which can be used to perform image manipulation task. It contains images, pre-built images in miscellaneous. From scipy import MIC, from matplotlib import pyplot as PLT, import numpy as NP, then panda is equal to MISC dot face, means it gives the image of panda, face image of panda from MIC package. Panda is equal to MIC face. Then plot dot imshow of panda and plot dot show, it gives that image. Flip down, you can do the operations, different operations on that image. Then rotate, in the image dot rotate an angle 135 degree and shows the image. Like that you can use integration with scipy, numerical integration. When you integrate any function, analytically integrate its function, we need to turn for numerical integration. When we integrate any function where analytically integrate it is not possible, then we need to turn for numerical integration. Scipy provides function to integrate function with numerical integration. Scipy integrate library has single integration, double integration, multiple, Gaussian, quadrate, Romberg, trapezoidal and Simpson's rules. Now take an example of single integration a to b fx dx. A is the upper limit and b is the lower limit. From scipy import integrate, f is equal to lambda x colon x raised to 2. This is the function. Then lower limit is equal to 0 and upper limit is equal to 1, 0 to 1. Integrate dot chord function x raised to 2 and 0 1, print integration, it will give the integration value of x raised to 2. Here function returns two values in which the first value is integration and second value is estimated error in integral. Double integration, it gives double integration values 64xy lambda xy colon 64xy. Then lower limit of first integration 0 0 2 by 4 and then 0 root of 1 minus 2y square. You can give lower limit of second integral 0, upper limit of first integral, that is square root of 1 minus 2y square. Perform double integration f comma 0 comma 2 by 4 comma p and q. This is 0 and 2 by 4 is first integration, lower limit and upper limit, and second integration lower limit 0 and q is equal to 0. Q is equal to root 1 minus 2y square. Then it will display integration of double integration. Integration value of that double integration. Different packages are available here. IO, special, linear algebra, interpolate, optimize, stats, integrate, FFT pack, signal, ND image. You can use as per the requirement of data analytics. You can use that different packages and different functionalities. See here, you can use sin DG 90. You can import special and you can use exponential 10 exponential 2 sin DG. It will give the value of sine of 90, cos of 90. You can use any 30, 60, 90 sin cos values. Then integrate chord. Here you can use interpolate. Then here see miscellaneous, rotate, flip down, see the results of that image processing programs. Then integrate double integration, single integration, polynomial function. You can use special function, permutation, combination. Then linear algebra, determinant. You can calculate the determinant directly from that function. See inverse of A. Array. This is the inverse of A. You can cross check this also. You can A into inverse of A is equal to I. This is the cross check of inverse. You can take stats also. M stats. You can import from scipy stats.m stats, import G mean, geometric mean, import harmonic mean. Like that you can calculate mode value mode of array 1, stats.mode. You can see that like that. You can use various functions, image processing. You can do image processing with the scipy. Constant expressions. These are the basic polynomials, special function, integrate linear algebra, Fourier transformation, interpolation, statistics and miscellaneous. These are the packages available with scipy. You can use that with different functionalities. I hope you understood all these concepts, how to use different packages, how to install scipy, how to import different packages from scipy, and how to calculate different functions with scipy. It is built on top of a Numpy and it is the extension of Numpy. Additional features are allowed here, available here in scipy. Scipy means scientific Python. I have already explained Numpy. Today we have discussed about scipy. Do the practice with Colab, or you can install Anaconda and do the practice of different commands of scipy and Numpy. Thank you.